Okay.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. By course in session, no reading, talking, walking around, sleeping, smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Versus Aurelio Rayner, ticket number Z808201. We're here for a probation review on operating while intoxicated. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Probation Officer Joseph Thomas. Mr. Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
Aurelio Rayner.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Rayner.
Officer Thomas.
Your Honor, we've got a few conditions left to do. We also have some done. Mr. Rayner has completed alcohol highway safety. He's also viewed the consequences video. He stated to me that he was having some issues with his insurance and getting enrolled in outpatient treatment. He stated to me that he's been enrolled at Detroit Recovery Project recently. I don't have any paperwork yet to confirm that, but this was within just the last week. So what we still need is the victim impact panel. He still has the balance that was assessed at sentencing of $640. He's tested clean at times. He's also missed a few tests. I know he's been having some monetary issues, but he has been open about that. So at least he's working with us and not just disappearing, which I appreciate. So he's still set. I believe he's still on track for his June of this year discharge date. You just need to get him consistent with. That's where we're at.
Ms. Soroki.
I'm going to ask that probation be continued.
Okay. So, Officer Thomas, when in June are we looking?
Well, he was placed on for a year back on June 22nd of last year.
So how about we do June 22nd at 8:35 for a continued hearing?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So it looks like things are going well, Mr. Rayner. We're just going to continue. Hopefully, if you continue to do everything you're asked to do on probation, you should be discharged when we come back.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Officer Thomas.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
You too. All right, this is the people versus Derek Duncan. Ticket number SP1295080, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Derek Duncan.
State your name, Mr. Duncan.
Unmute your device, Mr. Duncan.
Look on the bottom left-hand corner.
Derek Duncan.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Duncan is continuing his plea of not guilty, asking the bench warrant be set aside and asking for a bench trial date.
All right, the court will set the bench warrant aside. Mr. Duncan, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial date, February 6th at 9 o'clock.
All right.
All right, you're all set, sir.
All right.
All right, this is the people versus DeAndre Richard, ticket number 16249299, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
DeAndre Richard,
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Richards.
You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Richard. Good luck to you, sir.
thank you.
Your ticket got dismissed.
Oh, great, thank you.
This is the People versus Lavelle Rucker, ticket number SP 11806696, count one, no operator's license on person, and ticket, and count three, pedestrian disobeyed officer's signal. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rucker.
Lavelle Rucker.
Your Honor, the recommendation is for dismissal. We stipulate probable cause.
And these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Rucker. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you. All right, this is the People versus Luis Reyes Perez, ticket number SP 1367857, count one, drove a license not valid or improper license, and count two, improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Luis Antonio Reyes Perez.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Reyes. He's gonna accept the recommendation at this time.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reyes. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki, the attorney in private, about your case and your rights.
Mm-hmm.
Are
Yes,
you saying yes?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes, I am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to July 14, 2022 at 7:39 p.m. on that day and time where you at or near 6 Mile in Warwick in the city of Detroit.
Yeah,
Are you saying yes?
yes,
Were you driving a 2010 Ford vehicle?
yes,
All right, and were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
yeah,
Yes?
yes. Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate proper cause as to count two to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. It's $200 fine, Mr. Reyes. Can you have that fine paid by February 6th?
Yes,
Questions?
no.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. This is the People versus Bernard Ramos, ticket number, I should have did you first. SP 1316155. I'm sorry, strike that. Ticket number SP 1316154. Count one, drive while license suspended, and count two, improper plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Ramos.
Say your name, sir. You're muted. Unmute yourself, Mr. Ramos. Look on the bottom left-hand corner, sir. Should be a microphone. Tap that. All right, say
Is
your
it
name.
on?
Yes, sir. Say your name.
Yes, Bernard Ramos.
Recommendation is to dismiss. You stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Roki.
So stipulated.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Ramos. Good luck to you, sir.
Hold on, Your Honor, please, excuse me. In this same matter, I had, I was supposed to see another judge and they issued a warrant. I had missed the date for the same matter and they issued a warrant for my arrest and there's a $500. So what can I do about it?
Say that again?
I had another court date that I missed last year. I had the dates mixed up for the same matter and I didn't make it to court.
Yeah,
So
I
they
think-
a warrant for me for the same matter. What can I do about it?
Well, that's why we're having this case now. It was set for a show cause. Let me make sure you don't have any other cases. but-
Okay.
Is that 541?
That again.
The last, is that the last three digits? One, today? That's all he has.
Yeah, you cleared everything up. So,
Okay.
You're all set.
All righty. I thank you.
But he has a warrant on a drug.
Oh,
offense
I see. You have a
Yeah,
warrant on.
yeah, Yes, yes.
From 05. Yeah, that's the one that's got it on the left hand side. I think it's been our only on the left hand side for you.
Yeah, you do. You have an operating while on time. Oh, no, you already made admissions to, you missed the date.
Yes, ma'am.
Since 2005.
Mr. Robinson, get
Were
into the
you
camera.
on probation for this?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Freddie Robinson, get into the camera.
Okay, we're just gonna close this out without a. You're all set.
Okay, Judge, were you gonna put that case
Oh,
number?
let me call it, yes. We're here on case number 05-212-911. It's an operating while visibly impaired. I believe he was placed on probation. This matter is from 2005. It occurred in 2003. And I think the last action was a violation of probation. That was in 2012. That he missed. So this is still open. It's in warrant status. We're gonna close your probation out without improvement. So you're all set, sir. Did he hang up?
Mhm.
Guess that's all you have to hear.
Mr. Robinson,
Yes, sir.
okay. First of all, you 2 hours late. and you Not even together, but I signed you in. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. While you in that breakout room, do not answer your phone, text, and let it die out on you. If you text or answer your phone and you let go out, I'm gonna lock the room and you won't be able to get back in. It could be one for your arrest.
Okay.
Be mindful, you're in court. So while the judge is on the bench, you can't be walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, laying down.